Hey team, this is George. Can you believe we're in week 6 and coming up? Let me just click that. Sorry, I was going to talk about the assignment first, but our signature assignment is going to be due next two Mondays from now. So not this Monday, not next Monday, but the following Monday. And here is how I would approach it if I was writing it myself. You see these right here? These would all be bold headings, but I would just say, instead of the constructs of developmental disabilities, I just say constructs of developmental disabilities, current public policy, race, culture. So I would just make those bold headings throughout the paper, and I would put specifically the things in there. Now, in the beginning of the paper, you want to define, are you doing the infant toddler, sorry, having trouble speaking today, school age adult. So give a little introduction about that and maybe a little bit of specifics about what you're going to be talking about. And then just boom, just label out your paper using these right here as headings. So your introduction will be 2 paragraphs to a page long. And each one of those, you can make those as long or short as you want. But when you do that and then add a conclusion on the end, and what's a conclusion? A conclusion is just a summary of what you wrote. It can be 1 to 2 paragraphs. That should easily get you to the 8 to 10 pages. Now, to get a high score in this, it's here's the formula for a high score. There we go. To get a high score, have an introduction. Don't write the term introduction. APA doesn't like to see the word introduction. Just start writing. Use these as headings. So you have 6 headings. Add a conclusion. And within each one of these, use sources that substantiate what you're saying or the reason that you're saying it. So you put in-text citations and then add a reference page with all those references. That, in a nutshell, is how to get a high score. And of course, stay focused on whatever. If you're looking at infant, school age, or adult, just stay focused. So that's kind of the key on how to get a high score with this paper. So let's just keep up the great momentum with all the discussions and everything else and have a fantastic week.